How's it going, guys? Dr. Henry here, and today we're going to go over our half kneeling horizontal pull, and that is a lot of words, and all that really means is we're going to get into a half kneeling position, which is basically a lunge position, making sure that this ankle is underneath this knee, and that this knee is underneath this back hip here. Another point to point out is I am on my toe, I am not on my ankle here for stability, so being on our toes we make it a little bit tougher, so we've got to make our hips work a little bit more. So from this position, I'm going to grab my band that I've got here, and I'm going to take this offhand and I'm going to put it out to the side. I'm just going to make a nice fist, squeezing, creating a little bit of tension here, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull. And we're not going to beat this up on too many details here. One big thing that I'm doing is I'm not stopping right here, but I'm letting this band pull my shoulder all the way forward, and that moves my shoulder blade along my ribs and just gets you a little bit more of a fuller rep. So we're just going to go back and forth here. Piece of cake. That is the half kneeling horizontal pull. Let me know if you have any questions.